Hey guys, and thanks for joining me for another video. This time it's time for my little update on the Andromeda Infinity boots. So this is going to be the road update. So in the previous video we had the unboxing and look around the specs. This time I'm going to tell you what I feel like to ride in. So I have been out on all three of my bikes now, wearing the Infinity boots, and they felt good on all of them. But no complaints. No, the only thing I might have to do on the Tiger here is might have to move the gear shift lever, because it is a bit, I am having to bend my foot a bit more, but I'm finding that as I'm wearing the boots in, they are a bit more pliant now, so that might not be needed. We shall see. Yeah, first impressions on the road, very positive. They're a very comfortable boot. I've been out today as well, test riding a few bikes at Ducati in Aylesbury on your bike, and ridden three completely different bikes, and only on one of them, the Scrambler Icon, was I having trouble finding the gear lever. On the other two, the Javel and the Hypermotard, there wasn't a problem. So that's not really the boot's fault, that's it's the bike's. But yeah, I'm finding that as I'm wearing them in, they are becoming a bit more pliant. So beautiful house. Yeah, so it might just be a case of breaking them in a bit more. But to ride in, very, very comfortable. I mean, it's not gone above 2 digits today, so it's 9.5 degrees at the minute. I've got a thick pair of socks on, and they are very comfortable indeed. As I mentioned previously, Andromeda state to order your regular size boots when ordering, and I would tend to agree with that. I went a size up purely because I've got issues in my right foot, and I do get a fair bit of swelling. So for me, going size 45 rather than 44 was the right call. But if your regular size boots is a 10 or EU 44, stick to your regular size. That will be fine. So riding along, you're getting a good feel for all the foot controls. I've had no issues. I've had no issues with grip either. Someone commented that it didn't look very grippy on the soles. Yeah, I've had no complaints so far, including when fueling up. So time will tell on that one, but yeah, so far so good. We've got the gear shift pad on both sides, and I'm getting a good feel for where that lever is going up when you're shifting up, and yeah, in practice they're proving to be very comfortable indeed. Still adjusting to the ratchet fastening system. I've not had a bike. I've not had any boots with that kind of system before, so I am starting to get used to it now. But yeah, that does ensure that they feel safe and secure above your ankles. So yeah, that was just a short little video with my first ride impressions really. And oh, I could also say I've been caught today in a little bit of rain, and thankfully I can report there's been no leakage whatsoever, as you'd expect. And yeah, so overall very pleased with them, and I look forward to putting the miles on, wearing them. They are going to be my only boots from now on, because my Altbergs are now past their best. So they are going to get they are going to be properly tested for sure. So there you go, just a short and sweet little video today. Hope that's been of some interest to you. If you're looking at these boots, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.